It's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I've got a package from fatquartershop, and this is my very special announcement video. So make sure you watch till the end for all of the information. Now, I will say I have been gone for a few days just because we had some family stuff out of town and I haven't been online. So if I didn't get right back to your comments, it was not intentional. It's just because I wasn't here. I didn't have internet. All right, here we go. There it is. It is the Halloween Memories book that just came out from Susan Ake and fatquartershop. At least, yeah. And this is going to be the book that we use for the sew along, the quilt along that we are working through. It does also have some cross stitch patterns in it as well. Let me see if I can find a page that has that without showing you the charts. Okay, so there is a picture of them on this page, and there are better pictures on the fatquartershop blog as well. And there are at least 6 quilts in this book. Enchanted Quilt, Hocus Pocus Quilt, Moonlight Quilt, Nightshade Quilt, Spiderwebs Quilt, Trick or Treat Quilt, and then the rest are cross stitch. So 6 quilts, and then Learn to Fly, Masquerade, Morning Glory, Pumpkin Patch, Quaker Halloween, Salem, Skeleton Soiree, Spooky Socks, and Sugar Skull. So I think there's got to be like 9 cross stitch patterns then. So very cool. There are a lot of really awesome patterns in this book. And the cross stitch patterns are very Halloweeny, but the quilt patterns themselves could really be for any season, I think. It all just depends on what fabrics you decide to pick and put with it. And we are going to be doing, let me see if I can find, there it is. We are going to be doing the Moonlight Quilt, which is, oh, I was looking for a finished picture of it. Okay, I'm going to have to show you like this. Whoop. Without the glare, hopefully. This is the quilt that we are going to be working on for the quilt along. And that is going to be starting in August. Now, the fun part. Now, fatquartershop is going to be giving away a copy of one of these books to one of you guys, one of my subscribers. So, if you would like to enter, please leave a comment down below with the word Halloween, and I will do a drawing in 3 days. Today is Thursday. I am going to draw on Sunday, probably Sunday evening when I get home from running errands and everything. So if you want to enter, you have to be 18 years old and you can be from anywhere. They said they will ship this all over the world. So go ahead and leave the comment Halloween, and I will make an announcement video on, well, I will draw Sunday evening and I will put the video out on Monday announcing who has won. I need you to get back to me as soon as possible. fatquartershop would like to send these out by the end of this month, beginning of next month. So I think it's the end of this month they want it out, but get back to me as soon as possible. Watch for that video on Monday. It is going to be out Monday, and I will let you know who won. If I do not hear back from you from the winner within, I'm going to give it 48 hours, so 2 days. If I don't hear back from you, I have to draw again because Fat Quarter Shop wants this out as soon as possible so that the person who wins will have time to do the quilt along with us if they'd like to. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.